my dear subscribers. I have a small Christmas present for all of you. 3 well-known Christmas melodies in transcription for cello. Please find scores in description to this video and print them before the lesson. So we are going to learn We Wish You a Merry Christmas, Silent Night and Carol of the Bells. I did special transcription for cello, very simple bowing, very simple fingering and some dynamic. We are start to learn from We Wish You a Merry Christmas. First time I'm playing in a good tempo, and second time I'm going to play in a slow tempo, so you will check with me all fingering, bowing and dynamic. Then we go. 1, 2, 3. And now in a slow tempo. 1, 2, 3. I would recommend you to play this piece at the middle of a bow, like short bow, and to play staccato. So we're like stopping bow on a string, not jumping up. So it's like we are doing a very good articulation. It's like a little bit biting string with the finger number 1 and finger number 4. And then you can try this staccato on this piece. It's very helpful, will be also for future. Second piece on legato and détaché, Silent Night. We are playing very smooth legato, several notes for one bow, and we are checking how we are changing the bowing. It should be very smooth changing of the bows. And we can use vibrato not only for long notes, but we will try to use our vibrato also for eighths. First I'm playing in a slow tempo. 1, 2, 3. more slow. And then we are using all bow, try to use all bow, and when you are playing separate notes, détaché, try to make same very smooth sound, like a voice. My small secret at the end, you can also vibrate last open G. If you will find G with the finger number 4 on D string, then you can vibrate G on a D string and play G. It will sound very good. So, and last piece, Carol of the Bells. It was from the beginning very old Ukrainian carol. We are calling that Shedrik. And our Ukrainian composer Mikhailo Leontovich did transcription for choir, and from that time this melody starts to be very popular around the world. So I'm going to play Shedrik, or Carol of the Bells, my Ukrainian way, how we are performing in Ukraine, but you can repeat so many times, so you will. So first of all, good tempo and then slow tempo for learning. And we go. We are playing this piece a little bit also with staccato as the middle of the bow. So we are trying to articulate well with the two fingers also on a string. We are not jumping over string. So try your best, and I'm quite sure you will manage very good with these 3 songs. And I wish you Merry Christmas and happy to see you next year, because I'm already prepared so many transcriptions from the movies, from well-known melodies. So subscribe and be with me, and thank you for being with me this year. Bye bye, Merry Christmas.